What's going on, guys? So a few of you asked me about this GoPro carbon mount from BMW. As I mentioned, I bought it from the dealer. Some of you asked for the item number and I sent it. If you need it, it's easier to reach me through my Instagram account. I want to show you guys how it really being attached, because these are three separate items. So the coil is one thing, and then you have these 1, 2, 3 screws that having this one attached to it. And when you close the tail, you can see better how it really works. One thing that is lame in my opinion is that this part, I guess for the GPS recorder, even though this bike have a GPS built in, they made this plastic or carbon attached to the plastic just by snapping it one on another. Now, it's not really snapping anything, it's really loose, so I put some double-sided glue and a little bit of tape in order to connect it. So what I'm doing is I put the metal arm of the Insta 360, since I don't trust it because I already lost the GoPro. And what I think that I will do, I'll most likely drive all the way to the canyons like that with a camera and a screwdriver here. And then when I'll reach my destination, before I'm going to start doing a canyon riding or track riding, whatever I'll decide to do with it, I will just attach the camera. One thing that I'm still not sure is, where should I secure the camera? If the camera is here, I thought maybe to secure it right here. That way, if it's falling, it's not touching the wheel. My other option is somewhere here, but then most likely the camera will be damaged if any of it is snapping and falling. If you can, let me know in the comments, what do you think? Where should I snap it? Where should I attach it? Any idea will be really appreciated. Thanks, guys.